Your living room is more than just a space, it's the heart of your home where memories are made and guests are welcomed. Whether you're designing from scratch or giving your current space a refresh, today we'll share the best decorating and layout ideas to transform your living room into a stylish and functional haven. 2. Selecting the right furniture. Choose furniture that fits the scale of your room. Oversized pieces can overwhelm a small space, while smaller furniture might look lost in a large living room. A mix of textures and materials, such as a plush sofa paired with sleek metallic or wooden accents, can add depth and character. Adding layers with textiles. Textiles play a big role in elevating your living room. Use rugs to define spaces and add warmth. Layer throw pillows and blankets in complementary colors and patterns for a cozy yet stylish vibe. Don't forget curtains, they can make the room feel taller and more inviting. Lighting that sets the mood. Lighting can completely transform the ambience of your living room. Incorporate a mix of lighting, overhead fixtures for general illumination, table or floor lamps for task lighting, and candles or string lights for a cozy glow. Dimmer switches are a game changer for setting the perfect mood. The power of decor accents. Decor accents are the finishing touches that make your living room feel personal and unique. Add artwork that resonates with your style, use mirrors to create the illusion of space, and bring in plants for a fresh, natural element. Coffee table decor, like books and trays, can also double as functional and beautiful additions. Creating a balanced color palette. Balance is key when selecting a color palette. Neutral tones create a calm, timeless foundation, while pops of color can add vibrancy and energy. Don't be afraid to experiment, mix warm and cool tones to achieve a harmonious look. Incorporating storage solutions. Clutter-free spaces are more inviting. Add stylish storage solutions like built-in shelves, storage ottomans, or sleek cabinets to keep your living room organized. You can even use decorative baskets to store extra throws or magazines. Your living room should reflect your personality and be a space you're proud to share with others. With thoughtful design and a few creative touches, you can transform your living room into a space that's not only functional but also beautiful. Ready to get started? Let us know your favorite tip in the comments below.